I'm Crisel T. Goleta, a first-year student taking a Bachelor of Public Administration. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you some examples of pattern found in nature. So, are you excited? Let's go! But wait, first, let me define what is the patterns in nature. So, patterns in nature refers to the repeating and predictable forms or structure found in the natural world. Symmetry, when one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it some way, flip, turn, and slant. So, this is example of symmetry because the left can be divided into two almost identical halves along its midrel. So, this is another example of symmetry. So, this is a rotational symmetry. Spiral is a curve that winds around a central point, often getting progressively farther away or closer like a coil or a twist. So, this is example of spiral pattern. It's showing repetition, symmetry, and growth in a spiral form. This is examples of spiral pattern because its leaves grow in a circular arrangement around the center, forming a spiral shape. This is another example of spiral pattern. Crack or fracture is a break or fissure in a materials, often exhibiting patterns that reveals underlying stress, materials properties, or environmental factors. This is examples of crack patterns because the tree bark forms irregular lanes and break as it grows and dries. So this is examples of crack or fracture. It has break or fissures of the materials. This is another example of crack or fracture. Fractal is a geographic shape that displays self-similarities repeating itself at a different scales, often exhibiting intricate patterns and details. So, this is examples of fractal. The patterns repeated itself at a different scale. This is another example of fractal pattern. This is another example of fractal pattern. Stripes, made by a series of bands of strips, often of the same width and color along the length. This cut is belong to stripe because that create repeating pattern of Milan. This is another example of stripe pattern. This is another example of stripe patterns.